This video will demo how to use the custom sales and custom patron reports to filter subscribers and non-subscribers. So we're going to start in this reports area, and I'll go ahead and do a custom patron report first. So I already have a report pre-built called sub test, and then I'm going to go into this manage area and edit the report so we can take a look at the filters that are available. So I'm just going to pull this first contact information, which is the first and last name on the account, but you might want to add address info, email address, or maybe a phone number, depending on what information you want to pull in the report. Then we'll scroll down a bit, and the event area is pretty nice because you can either choose to have one specific event and then either include all event dates or choose a specific event date if you want. Or if we click on the event drop-down menu and go all the way up to the top, you'll see this multi-select option. So you could select more than one event and have everything display nicely in one report for you, so you don't have to run a separate report for each event. So I'm going to close out of that. And I just want to see all the subscribers who came to my Little Women show. Now, if we scroll down, the subscriber area is the important part of this report. So if you have the include all turned on, this report will just pull everybody who came to the Little Women event. But if you uncheck this box, you have this drop-down menu that says either only subscribers or exclude subscribers. So I'm just going to do only subscribers because I want to send a thank you note to all of the subscribers who attended this event. You can even select what specific subscription or membership that you want included in the report. I'm just going to leave them all in there, and I just want to see all of the subscribers who came. So I'm going to go ahead and click save and run. And now here we have all of the names of the subscribers for this event. Now, on the other side, if I want to see only the single ticket buyers, so say I want to send out a letter or an email or give a call to people who don't have season tickets and make them aware of the season ticket options available, we can do that too. So we'll go back into the report, we'll scroll down, and then we're going to choose this exclude subscribers. So this will take out all of the subscribers and just give you single ticket buyers. So we'll click save and run here. And now I have a list of single ticket buyers for this event. So I can go ahead and contact them and let them know of the subscriptions that we have available. There's also a different way to view this in the custom sales report area. So I, again, have this subscriber test report set up already, and I'm just going to run it to see what it looks like. So here it looks like I included the account ID, the first name, last name on the account. This sub ticket type is the important one in there. And then I included some quantity and pricing info. So this sub ticket type shows me where a subscription ticket was used for the event. So I'm looking at all of the tickets for Little Women, and then I can go ahead and see, okay, these were all subscriber tickets, and then some other information as far as pricing and stuff for the people who had the paying tickets. So it says sub free because I set it up where they buy their season ticket package, and then it just gives them the free tickets to the show. So we'll go in and edit this so we can see this area. And again, here's some of the info that I chose to pull. And then if you turn on this subscription ticket type, that's how you'll see what tickets were used for a subscription and which ones weren't. This report doesn't let you toggle back and forth between including only subscribers and excluding the subscribers. You're just going to be able to see everybody and then look at the subscriber tickets that were used.